Central Florida is booming with construction. Everywhere you look, buildings are rising, projects are underway, and the need for efficient, precise work is more important than ever. At Flying High, we understand the challenges that come with large-scale construction projects. Whether it's tracking progress, inspecting hard-to-reach areas, or keeping stakeholders updated, our drone technology is designed to make your job easier. Using drones, construction managers can get an all-encompassing view of the site in real time. Our high-definition aerial footage provides a level of detail that simply can't be captured from the ground. Traditional methods of site inspection can be time-consuming and hazardous. With our drone technology, inspections are faster, safer, and more cost-effective, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Live streaming capabilities mean that stakeholders, regardless of location, can monitor progress from anywhere. With high-resolution imaging, you can spot potential issues early, avoiding costly delays. Our drones can also assist with mapping and surveying, producing detailed 3D models that allow for accurate measurements and tracking. We help streamline communication between contractors, engineers, and project managers. From site inspections and safety monitoring to land surveying and project documentation, Flying High in Florida is here to revolutionize how you work. Our advanced drone technology ensures your construction projects are completed on time, on budget, and with precision. Ready to take your construction project to new heights? Contact Flying High in Florida today and let us help you build the future one flight at a time.